When your operation demands reliable power, measurable efficiency, and the ability to scale, EBOSS from ANA is built to deliver. The EBOSS 7045 Hybrid Energy System is a fully integrated, all-in-one solution engineered for mission-critical performance in any environment. It deploys quickly, operates intuitively, and redefines how modern power is delivered. At its core, the 70 kVA power module delivers continuous, stable power to the load. Its modular design allows you to right-size for today while maintaining the flexibility to expand as demands grow. An onboard generator engages only when needed to recharge the power module, keeping the engine operating at optimal efficiency while reducing runtime, fuel consumption, and maintenance requirements. EBOSS systems can be paralleled without limitation, creating scalable power with built-in redundancy to support maximum uptime. Engineered to perform across one of the widest temperature ranges in its class, EBOSS operates from 130 degrees to -22 degrees Fahrenheit, with an available Arctic package extending performance down to -50 degrees. Integrated telemetry and remote monitoring provide real-time visibility, allowing operators to track performance and optimize operation from anywhere. And with ANA's trained EBOSS specialists available 24/7, expert guidance and ongoing support are always within reach. Delivering 56 kilowatts of peak power and up to 20 times the cycle life of traditional batteries, EBOSS is more than equipment. It is a long-term power solution designed for the future. From remote construction and oil and gas sites to telecom infrastructure, major events, and film and television sets, and to sustainable projects like wind farms and water treatment plants. EBOSS performs when failure is not an option. Driven by innovation, driven by efficiency, driven by EBOSS. Ready to power what's next? Visit anacorp.com.